Today, we'll explain how to install and operate this cold plasma device. The machine includes the following accessories. First, let's install the machine's mounting bracket. Align the screws with this opening. Once the bracket is installed, we'll attach the handle, aligning it with the socket. Note that there is a groove here. Then, we proceed with the next step. This side does not have an air tube. Next, we install the handle on the other side. This one comes with an air tube. Ensure that the handle's groove aligns correctly. This is the air tube. Insert it into the air port below the handle. Next, we install the machine's foot pedal. The machine comes with 10 probes. These are the ones that require argon gas. These do not need argon gas. And these 6 are single-use. The handle with the air tube is for the argon probes. These are the 6 probes. Now, let's install the probes. Align and tighten it directly. If you need to install a needle, you'll need to use this slot. If you're using this probe, just screw it on directly. Let's first use this actual slot. Align it and give it a twist. Then, look at this central part. It has a gradually tightening slot. Pay attention to when it tightens. Then, take this needle. Place it in the center and keep twisting. Keep going until it tightens. This secures it tightly. Next, we'll discuss the installation of argon gas. This is our gas cylinder. This is the gas cylinder switch. This is the pressure regulator. This is where the air tube connects to the machine. For the argon cylinder, we need to purchase it locally. Locate the socket below the foot pedal. Insert the air tube into it. Now, let's open the argon cylinder switch. If the beads bounce, it indicates that argon is present. Now, let's explain the instrument's interface. First, this displays all the machine's probes. The purple one is a plasma probe. The blue one is for cold plasma. Now, we enter a standby interface. This shows the time, pulse, and energy. This one indicates the pressure threshold. Choose the appropriate parameters based on the client's needs. Then, we click Start. After starting, we need to step on the pedal. The interface will move, indicating that we are using this handle. Next, we'll discuss the operation of the instrument. This probe is used on the scalp. It can help reduce hair loss. It promotes hair growth. It treats scalp issues like folliculitis. While operating, we need to keep moving. Do not stay in one spot for too long. There should be some distance between the probe and the skin. This probe is used on the face. Before use, apply a thin layer of gel on the face. Maintain some distance between the probe and the skin. It mainly treats acne-inflamed skin. Keep moving during operation. Do not linger on the same spot. This is a microneedle. It's single use for each client. A new probe must be used for each client. This is mainly for infusing essence. It has whitening and skin smoothing effects. It helps tighten pores. Before use, we need to apply a numbing cream. Then, apply a thin layer of essence on the client's face. Move back and forth on the face. During the operation, ask the client how they feel. If the client can tolerate it, we can increase the energy level. Next, let's discuss this probe. Alright. This probe stimulates collagen regeneration. It also has skin smoothing and whitening effects. We move back and forth or in circles on the client's face. Do not stay in one place for too long. Next, we will use the curved needle. Before treatment, apply numbing cream to the treatment area. Wait until the client feels numb. Then remove the numbing cream and start the procedure. On the area to be treated on the client, create small holes along the direction of the wrinkles. Next, let's discuss the operation of this probe. This probe is primarily used to enhance collagen regeneration. It has wrinkle reduction and tightening functions. We need to lift from the bottom upwards.